Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So in this video I'm going to be respraying the A-pillars in my Volkswagen Transporter T5. So what I'm going to do is show you how to remove them, and then I'm going to also show you me respraying them. Reason why I'm doing it is because I'm fed up of the light grey boring Transporter plastic panels that are in this van in the front. So yeah, I'm going to respray them in red to match my GTI seats and also my pod. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and keep watching, and yeah, I hope you find this video useful. Cheers. So I'm just going to remove the A-pillar panel with a trim removal tool. There's a little rubber along the side. I'm just going to slide it behind there, pull away a bit, then I'm going to use my trim removal tool just to match up to the clip inside and gently pry it away like so without breaking any clips. There is 3 going down the side, and then there's 1 more at the bottom. I may have to use a bit of a smaller one for the bottom one because it is quite out of the way. Let's try again. Got this back, I'll slide my hand down there. It's quite awkward to, there you go. And it's gently coming. Here she comes. Get that in there. It's quite hard doing this left-handed because I am right-handed. Here you go. What I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to bring the camera just to show you. So here's the first clip. You can see that's removed. The second one, and then the third one's just down there. I'm just going to see if I can show you whilst holding the camera how to pry it away. In fact, it might be easier to do it this way. There you go. There we go. And then the panel just lifts out like so. So then we've got 1, 2, 3 clips. And then, like I say, this is all going to be resprayed. So the first thing I want to do is give it a good clean, and yeah, we'll go from there. What I'll be doing is taking the clips out, just so when I do lay it flat, there's no chance of them getting broken, and just leaving them in a nice, safe place, because you don't want to have to be finding these afterwards. I'm going to remove the air duct as well from the A-pillar panel, just so it don't get in the way. It doesn't get any spray going inside it. Not that it makes too much difference, but what I'm going to do is just pry these back. There's 1. Just on the tabs there, as you can see. Sort of like, once you push it down, you just sort of lift the... I'm just one-handed, so bear with me. There you go, that's out. I'll leave them in there. I'll give them a clean later as well because they're a bit dusty. So they're all ready for spraying, all cleaned up. I'm going to take them outside and give them a good spray down. I'm going to give them 1 coat first, wait about half an hour, then give them another coat, just build it up, and then they should be ready to refit. Both coats have come out really well. I'm just letting it dry for a bit on the kitchen side. What I did notice, it actually matches my kettle and my NutriBullet. Quite happy about that. They're ready to be refitted. I'm over the moon with the finish. They look amazing. Like, the colour literally matches the red leather trim that me and James done on the carpet, and also my pod. Look at the colour match. If you want to know what paint I used, it was Plasticoat satin, and it is called Real Red. Really good stuff, actually. It took about 2 or 3 coats in total, and I didn't need to do any priming or anything like that. And it says here, look, it's a 40 to 60 minute drying time, like for touch dry, but it does take 24 hours for it to fully harden. So I'm just going to go and fit these back on now. Right, so I've just taken this speaker panel out here just to make it a little bit easier. I'm just going to lower this down, get it into position. There you go. So that bottom clip has to go in, and then I'm just going to push this back down into place, making sure all the 3 clips line up. And then I'm just going to push it back in. Like so, and then I'm going to pop this speaker back down, speaker cover, that just lifted straight out, no dramas. This is the finished product. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that is bloody bright. I'm gonna have to change this headline in now. Oh dear. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be so bright. Just one of my wild ideas. And now I'm gonna end up having to do all of this. But if this is in black, this is gonna look a lot more normal with the red. So that's it. The next thing I'm going to do is finish off spraying the other panels. I'm going to do these in matte black. This is going to be black. All under here is going to be red. And I'm just going to do more videos as I go, just showing you how to do it. This is going to be black. And then this wasn't what I wanted to do originally, but now obviously how bad the red stands out here, I'm going to do all the headlining in black. And then I'm probably going to do something with these as well, the old sun visors, because there's a good chance I might do them in like GTI to match the seats, a bit of tartan or something. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and like I said earlier, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and leave a comment. Cheers.